Head there! Destroy it!
Goodbye, Somali.
Amphibious flying, combat vehicles. 5-channel remote control helicopter with gyro to give you an unprecedented flight experience. Novel and distinctive exterior design. Intelligent, accurate microcomputer remote control. Easy control, comfortable flight. Come on, put your energy into our flying combat vehicles. Ground driving with originality. Now, turn on the power of the plane and the controller. Pull down the left joystick controls to the end, succeeding in matching frequency when the power indicator light is on. Slowly push the left joystick controls and start to drive. Then push up the left joystick. If the helicopter appears left or right turning, adjust the trimmer to the right or left until it's keeping balance. The left control stick can control the speed when the plane moves forwards or backwards. Ready, take off. Touch the model switch button when the mode's up indicator light is on, and you can move the left joystick to fly. If the helicopter appears left or right turning, adjust the trimmer to the right or left until it's keeping balance. Turn left. Turn right. Move forward. Move backward. Roll left. Roll right. Press the LED button to control the light is on or off. If you want to enjoy the autoplay of the flight chariots, choose the car mode and push up the left joystick to the middle. Then press the demo button. The airplane will show the car mode first, and then enter into the fly mode. When finish all functions, it will hover in the air. Please note, you only can push the left joystick. If you press any buttons, the auto show will be stopped. Flight chariots, sophisticated production. Steady and resistance. 2.4G auto match frequency. You can play the helicopters in the same time and same place.